Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HONOR Earbuds to Lite with your MacBook. You have to start by pressing time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now we can pair them. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. After that, you need to open the charging case. And at the right side, we have connection button. You need to press and hold this connection button until you will see that the LED lights start blinking white. So press and hold. Now it starts blinking white, and we should see them as the device list. And right here we have these headphones. So click connect near to them. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!